Today on AFOL TV, we're building taxis. All right, guys, so as mentioned in the opening, today we're building taxis. We're really only going to build one because they both are pretty much the same, the only difference being the top. And so I'll point that out at the end. But before we hop in, if you could go ahead and subscribe to the channel, that would be huge. We are trying to build this thing, and all the support really helps. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get into it. These are the parts and pieces you will need. If you want to pause the video, go grab them and then come on back. We'll get started on the build shortly. All right, guys, and that's it. As you can see, it's one of the easier builds we've done. Really, the only change between the two cars is over here. You can do a slope instead of the flat top. This is where the ads or the sign would go on the taxis. These are kind of modeled after the New York or Las Vegas style taxis. So let me know what you guys think in the comments. Let me also know what other vehicles you want to see made. We're going to come out with builds on building soon as well. And if you haven't already, check us out on Instagram at afol.tv, and be sure to like and subscribe because all the support really helps, and we appreciate everybody who's reached out and subscribed so far. See you next week.